Aloha. It has now begun to rain here in Chaco Canyon. Our ancestors have answered to our prayers, and we have come together as one to make it green again, so that in this place water will flow, the people will come and know this land. Mahalo.
Through many lives we have been the same, though in each one known by a different name. Like broken links of an unforged chain, we lie scattered and fallen, like autumn leaves orphaned by a winter's rain. We wait only for this earth our bodies to reclaim, and then the stars in heaven shall our extinction finally proclaim, as saying, as is the custom with the ancients, once and once only, our original primal name, that we might come at last to lie at rest and in peace beneath the banner of the all-seeing eye that continues to forever fly throughout the fruitful regions of the bountiful sky.